Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop it for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on who you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with Ganex 1200. Okay, guys, this is Ganex 1200. Remember, I will be doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame. If there is need for me to go on higher time frame, I will let you know. Okay, and of course, guys, I am using the 3M trend Milka trading analysis. I mean, to analyze right here in this video. Okay, so this is very very important. If you're having the trading tool, then you can join me with it so that we can understand what we are doing right here. Okay, now let's quickly go straight into it. So this is GainX 1200. Just like I have told you, for the past 3 days, this has been playing within this support region area. Okay, it created a channel for itself and it has been playing within it. Yesterday it tried to break out above it 2 times but came back into it again, and of course you can see it got to the tip of it again, and right now it's going down again. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. We are still waiting for the time where we will have a proper breakout from this channel region. Okay, and that will give us a proper trend. Okay, but for now this is still trading within the trend, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. This is GainX 999. Okay, let me zoom it out a bit. Wow, this is beautiful. This has actually got into the last. Okay, so this actually got to the support zone after milking it from this resistance zone around here. Got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it gave us a switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and we got some buy signals around there. So we quickly plugged into it, and of course we milked it to the very end of the trend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it is at the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will continue to buy, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but it needs to switch back into a downtrend before we can follow the downtrend signal. Okay, so for now this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it's to sell. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is Paynex 1200. This also had been on uptrend for a while. It had been on uptrend and, of course, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it. It had a pullback, and right now it's going back there to retest it. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will go back on full downtrend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. This had been on downtrend right from here, and of course it got to this particular support zone, tried to go back on uptrend but didn't go too far because of this mini resistance zone, and it went back down to break out below the support zone. So right now, because it has broken out from this support zone, then it is selling at the moment. Okay, until it gets to the next support zone and it's unable to break out from there, that is when it will switch back into an uptrend. So for now it is selling. Now let's check out FX volume 80, which is going to be our last asset for today. This is FX volume 80. This has been on a very strong uptrend, and of course we actually make this particular asset, even though we didn't know that it's going to break out above this resistance zone to give us more profits like this. Okay, but this has actually gotten to a new resistance zone and it is switching back into a downtrend. Okay, so we expect it to sell more, but if it decides to retest the trend again, then definitely we may likely have a breakout happening around there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So right now, let me show you a quick setup for us at that point. However, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to keep on buying. So this is going to be our stop loss. Then the entry point, let me bring it up. So we're going to have a new entry point at this point because we are starting late. So I'm going to adjust the stop loss a bit. Okay. And of course, let's highlight some TPs for ourselves. This is going to be the first TP. Second, sorry, I didn't pick that. Right here is the third TP. Then I'm going to add one more TP to it. This is going to be the fourth TP. But if it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get to this region. But for now, I'm stopping at this fourth TP at this moment. Okay, so these are possible highlighted TPs that we can take advantage of, and the entry point has not been activated yet. Okay, so once it gets activated, then definitely you can jump into it right away. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so and do not forget your stop loss also. Okay, but if it does not, I mean, if it goes back to the resistance zone, then definitely it's not going to activate this entry point again at that particular point. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. Okay, this is going to give us more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so in case you are going to be trading these, make sure you follow instruction, and of course, if you are not joining us live and direct, check the chat to confirm if everything are still going on the right way before you jump into it. Okay, and of course, guys, I will be stopping right here. If you are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you go fully into your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.